In this guide, I'm going to show you how to install and use the Password Protect feature on your eCam online shop. From your dashboard, you need to click Features on the left-hand side, which will take us through to the Features page, which of course lists all the features that you've installed on your eCam online shop already. You then need to click Feature Library on the top left, and it'll take us through to the Feature Library page, listing all of the different features you can install. You can search for Password Protect by using this search bar up here, but I find it a lot easier to go into View More in the Made by eKM Features group, and then scroll down within that group until you see Password Protect. So if you look for the orangey pinky kind of icon with the padlock on it, that's the one we're after. And what you need to do is click that, and then it's going to take us through to this page, which explains a little bit of bump about the feature and what it does. And then you just need to click Install Feature. Now, this is an incredibly useful feature when you're first building your eCam online shop, because eCam online shops, from the moment the account is created, it's live. And it does have a default domain name, so it's not something someone could easily type into Google and find, but it's still live, it's still visible. So if you want to hide your content from customers whilst you set up your domain name, set up all your content and your products, this is the feature that you would use. So once you've installed Password Protect, within the feature itself, you're just going to get a tick box here that says Enable Password Protect, and then a visitor password. So by default, it's always password here, but if you click the I, you can change that to anything you like. Now, for security, it's always good to have at least 8 characters, and of those characters, one of them should be a capital letter with some lowercase letters. You should always have a number in there, and you should always have a number and an odd character in there, sorry. So like a pound sign or an exclamation mark or a hash symbol, for example. However, just for the purposes of that video, we'll leave that at socks. And what underneath, you've got all of your web pages, because of course your web pages are separate to your products and your categories. So you can select to hide all web pages, or you can only hide some of them. Okay, so it's up to you whether you decide to hide those. Okay, if you click Save then, and you've got Password Protect turned on, if you give it a couple of moments, on the front end of your eKM online shop, it will be hidden behind a password wall. So the most people can see is the contact details on the header and the header itself, and we've got some details down here in the footer, but otherwise everything else is completely hidden. And when you've finished using Password Protect, all you need to do is go back into the feature, tick the box here, and then click Save. And then that's it. It's gone from the front end of your eCam online shop. As always, if you'd like to see a guide about this feature, head over to our support centre, which is support.ekm.com. Or alternatively, if videos are more your thing, then you can come and find us on YouTube as well. Just bob onto youtube.com, type in eKM support, all one word, and you can find us on there as well.